Hi, it's Mary from the Bateman's Bay Library, and today I'm going to be showing you our holiday craft for this September-October holidays. So we're going to be making a coffee pod person, and you can pick up this kit at any of your libraries, free, and it'll have instructions in it and all craft supplies in the bag. So, shall we get started? Okay, so first, you'll need your pipe cleaner. You'll be threading it through your coffee pod. So one will go down, and don't forget, boys and girls, if you forget, there are instructions inside the bag. So I didn't put on the instructions that you might need a pen. There is already a hole in the top of the coffee pod, but you might just need to poke a pen down to make it a little bit wider so it's easier to thread through. So here we go. So popping 2 pipe cleaners through your coffee pod. The second one will go face up. So I'm going to get my pen again and pop a hole through it. So I hope you're all enjoying your holidays here on the beautiful Eurobodalla. And yes, I do need that pen to poke a bit extra hole in. Bigger hole, I should say. All right, here we go. In you go, pipe cleaner. So you might need mum or dad to help you, or an older brother or sister. So as you can see, I've threaded the 4 coffee pods. So the second one is facing down and the last one is facing up. So leaving a little bit of room at the top, because that's where your head's going to go, and then of course we've got our legs. So with that third bit of pipe cleaner, you're just going to thread it around like this, because this is going to be our coffee pod person's arms. And then I'm going to get the circles, which will be the face, and I'm going to glue that together with my glue. And you might have some coffee pods lying at home, so you could make a whole family of coffee pod people. So there we go, there's our face for our coffee pod person. I've also got some cupcake holders, and I'm just going to fold them in half, and that'll be our coffee pod person's hair. But you can cut it maybe down, making tassel-y, spiky hair. That could look really cool. So just like that. All right. In your bag, you'll have some eyes. I've got some sleepy eyes. They look a bit Scooby-Doo-ish actually. So I'm going to just pop them on like that. And then if you've got some textures, so of course we need a mouth, or you can decorate it however you like. I'm going to place a smile because he's a happy coffee pod person. And then, if you have any other materials lying around, I made one previously, and I've stuck some buttons and also a star on his head. So there we have it. Enjoy your holidays, kids. Yeah.